Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth English, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. Today, we will explore 20 multiple choice general knowledge questions that will challenge your mind and spark your curiosity across a variety of topics. Are you ready? Let's start. Question number 1. Which one of the following is known as the city of Golden Gate? Option A, Paris, B, Mumbai, C, Amsterdam, and D, San Francisco. The correct answer is San Francisco. The city known as the City of Golden Gate is San Francisco. This nickname is due to the famous Golden Gate Bridge that connects San Francisco to Mary country. Question number 2. Who among the following had the title True Badshah? Option A, Guru Tegh Bahadur, B, Guru Gobind Singh, C, Guru Harkishan, and D, Guru Hargobind. The correct answer is Guru Hargobind. The title True Badshah, Sacha Badshah, was given to Guru Hargobind Ji, the sixth Guru. He adopted this title to emphasize the spiritual sovereignty of the Guru, contrasting it with the temporal authority of Mughal empires. Question number 3. Skin work as a respiratory organ in which of the following animals? A, cockroach, B, whale, C, dogfish, and D, frog. The correct answer is frog. Frogs primarily breathe through their skin, especially when submerged in water, as it is highly permeable and contains a rich network of blood vessels that allow for gas exchange. Question number 4. In tennis, what is the term for a score of 0? Option A, ace, B, love, C, fault, and D, deuce. The correct answer is love. In tennis, love represents a score of 0. This use has existed since the late 1800s, and it is not certain how it came to be. The most likely theory is that those with 0 point were still playing for the love of game despite their losing score. Question number 5. What is another name for blood cancer? A, leukemia, B, carcinoma, C, sarcoma, and D, melanoma. The correct answer is leukemia. Leukemia, a type of cancer found in your blood and bone marrow. It is caused by the rapid production of abnormal white blood cells. The high number of abnormal white blood cells are not able to fight infection, and they impair the ability of bone marrow to produce red blood cells and platelets. Question number 6. Which US state is known as the Lone Star State? A, California, B, Florida, C, New York, and D, Texas. The correct answer is Texas. Why is Texas called the Lone Star State? Texas nickname pays tribute to the Lone Star flag, which was adopted after Texas became independent from Mexico in 1836. Question number 7. In which year was Google founded? Option A, 1994, B, 1996, C, 1998, and D, 2000. The correct answer is 1998. Google was founded on September 4, 1998 in Menlo Park, California, United States by the Larry Page and the Sergey Brin while they were PhD students at Stanford University. Question number 8. Through how many Indian states does the topic of cancer pass? Option A, 5, B, 7, C, 8, and D, 9. The correct answer is 8. The topic of cancer passes through 8 Indian states in India. These are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram. This line at 23.5 degree north latitude marks the northernmost point where the sun can be directly overhead. Question number 9. Who is known as the Light of Asia? Option A. Gautam Buddha, B. Jesus Christ, C. Swami Vivekanand, and D. Prophet Muhammad. The correct answer is Gautam Buddha. Question number 10. What is the largest state in United States by the land area? A. Texas, B. Alaska, C. California, and D. Montana. The correct answer is Alaska. Alaska is the largest state in the United States by the land area 6,65,384 square miles. It's more than twice the size of Texas, the second largest state. Question number 11. Which of the following hormones is derived from cholesterol? A. Insulin, B. Glucagon, C. Epinephrine, and D. Testosterone. The correct answer is testosterone. The hormone derived from cholesterol is testosterone. Testosterone, along with other sex hormones like estrogen and progesterone, are classified as steroid hormones, which are all derived from cholesterol. Question number 12. Which of the following is known as carbon negative country in the world? A. Nepal, B. Afghanistan, C. Finland, and D. Bhutan. The correct answer is Bhutan. Bhutan is the world's only carbon negative country, meaning it removes more than carbon dioxide from the atmosphere than it emits. Question number 13. Which one of the following elements is used in the manufacture of fertilizers? A. Fluorine, B. Potassium, C. Lead, and D. Aluminium. The correct answer is potassium. The element most commonly used in the manufacture of fertilizers is potassium. Potassium, along with nitrogen and phosphorus, are the primary nutrients provided by fertilizer, with potassium aiding in strong plant stems and rapid growth. Question number 14. Which animal can move its eyes independently? Option A. Chameleon, B. Snake, C. Lizard, and D. Turtle. The correct answer is chameleon. Chameleons can move their eyes independently and in almost any direction. This gives them almost 360-degree vision. Chameleon eyes are protected by an eyelid fused to the pupil. Question number 15. How many players are there on a water polo team? Option A 5, B 6, C 7, and D 9. The correct answer is 7. Question number 16. On which of the following river banks was Harappa situated? A. Ganga, B. Ravi, C. Indus, and D. Chenab. The correct answer is Ravi. Harappa, a major city of the Indus Valley civilization, is located on the left bank of the Ravi River, a tributary of Indus River in present-day Punjab, Pakistan. Question number 17. Mole is a rich sauce used in dishes from which country? A. Mexico, B. Spain, C. Peru, and D. Chile. The correct answer is Mestizo. Mole is considered a staple of Mexican cuisines, originating from the states of Puebla and Oaxaca, and is characterized by its complex blend of ingredients including dried chili, nuts, seeds, and sometimes chocolate, depending on specific recipe. Question number 18. Which one of the following is known as the brown coal? Option A anthracite, B bituminous, C coke, and D lignite. The correct answer is lignite. Lignite is a type of coal that is known as brown coal. It is a soft brown sedimentary rock that is formed from compressed peat. Lignite is the lowest grade of coal and has the least carbon content of around 25 to 35%. Question number 19. Clove is obtained from which of the following? Option A flower bud, B fruit, C stem, and D root. The correct answer is flower bud. Clove is obtained from the dried flower buds of the clove tree. These buds are harvested before they bloom and then dry until they turn dark brown. Question number 20. Which of the following rivers is a Trans-Himalaya river? A. Jhelum, B. Satluj, C. Ganga, and D. Ravi. The correct answer is Satluj. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.